Hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. It is gonna be another feet video. I haven't done one in so long, so this is not gonna be anything about like foot mythology or more of like shoe fittings. This is just strictly on taking care of your feet. And sorry that I've been very MIA. Just literally jumped into my master's and now I'm jumping into this video. So today just has to deal with how to take care of your feet, doing a lot of home remedy stuff, not breaking the bank on numerous nail salons of getting pedicures or going for random foot massages or spas. This is all about you. This is the convenient of like a budget friendly, but also how to do things on your own of taking care of your feet. So let's jump right in. Let's start with this bad boy. And just for the record, I'm not getting paid to show you guys this, no sponsorship. This is just pretty much just a recommendation of what I use just for my feet. The heat maintenance feature helps to maintain the water and it keeps the temperature from the start of the experience to the end. So if you apply hot water in this bath, in this foot bath, it keeps the water from staying warm so it doesn't kind of keep it cold. So I really like the temperature heater. And these 3 different buttons that you see here, they allow you to customize like a massage, like a spa treatment. So you can change that as your leisure. The raised nodes are used for like gentle foot massages. The bubble massage relaxes you and it smooths your tired feet and just kind of relax your foot muscles, improving the circulation. And I think that's like amazing. And one of my favorite parts about this is that it has like attached storage clips. So you can like put this away wherever you want. You can hang it somewhere. So it's pretty easy for storage. I like that. So before I put my feet in there, let me just go and show you how I clean my toes and like what exactly I use to clean them. So just for the record, the nail bag that you see, I pretty much use only a few things in this video. Everything else is pretty much depends on how bad my toes are, depending what shoes I'm wearing, depending what socks I'm wearing, depending on how I keep my toes, how long I'm going to clean them, you know, whether I delete it or not. It all depends. If you want to see how to use each and everything that I have in my bag, please let me know because I will make a video on that. But back to the video. So I start off by cleaning my toes with the nail polish remover. If you can see, like, my toes are not in the best shape. I do have one side that's a little bit shorter than the other. I did stub my toe, which the toenail actually cracked, and I'm gonna reshape them right after. Also, as you can see here, my toenail color is a bit yellow, and it also has like this white scarring on it. Now there's two reasons before we jump into thinking of how gross I am. So one, I used to get gel toenail, like polish. And when I used to go to the nail salon, I thought it was the best thing. So you don't have to go back, you know, every 2 weeks. You do like once a month treatments. But I noticed how much it changed my toenail color, and I realized how badly it started to weaken my toenail. And on top of those like nail filer things, those are only used for like fake nails. If they ever put that on your real nail, it's not safe. So I'm not here bashing the nail salons. Like, obviously they do such a great job. Some of them are way better than others. Some of them are worse than others. But the problem is here that one, I went to one that had a nail filer that was on my actual nail, versus if you use a nail filer on like a fake nail, it's not gonna cause damage. But it just kind of did scarring on my toes, and I really don't like that. And then with the whole gel thing, it just weakened the toenail and also kind of made it yellow. In the end, is it worth it? I don't think so, but if it's worth it for you, go ahead. But for me, this is like a budgeting video and more of a safety thing for my nails. I like to keep them clean. I don't get my nails done, and if I do, it's like once in a blue moon for like a wedding event, or like, you know, more so like a wedding event. And I don't know if you guys know, but lemon juice is a great way to help brighten your nails naturally, and it just removes all like any stains that you have. The vitamin C helps promote the growth. So that way you have a stronger nail and nice and white toenails. So I just want to point out here, I do lemon or lime, but I only had limes in the fridge. So we're going to use lime, same thing. And I just use half of a lime. You can use a piece. It really doesn't matter. It's really up to you. And I just put it directly on the nail. Now, if you ever experience this like on your toes, I would suggest not putting nail polish on at all and let your toenails heal. Keep applying the actual lemon or lime juice on your toenails. Let it sit there for a couple minutes, then rinse it off every day. And the only reason why I'm putting on nail polish now is because one, I'm going to show you what my nail polish looks like. Two, I don't like the way it looks in the summer just to leave it like that because it's healing. I do just like leaving nail polish on. If it was like more of a winter, I wouldn't put any nail polish on, and I would just put it with the lemon or lime juice and let it soak in, and it just heals faster. Guys, this is gonna change your life. This is really good. Now, there is so many different types of Epsom salt in this brand particularly. Now that I'm back in weightlifting, I'm doing yoga, I'm running, sometimes I take dance classes, like I do a lot. And the reason why I use this one per se is because it comes with 3 main ingredients that I need, which is witch hazel, which is essential oil, and aloe vera. And those 3 things are very useful for people that are pretty much on their feet all day, whether you work out heavy or light. I think this is the best one of Mr. Teal's. So witch hazel really reduces like skin irritation. So if you feel like your feet are inflamed or has broken skin, that's good for you. And for aloe vera, it's like really good to smooth dry or like cracked feet. And lastly, the oil. So this has eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil and a few others. But what I like about it is that not only does it help with reducing like anxiety or depression if you have like oils in anywhere that you put, besides that, it would help with like sleep. It helps also with like circulation and like any muscle pain that you have. For example, if you guys are runners or yoga people, weightlifters, anything in which you do with your feet, you really want to relieve like the muscle achings. I know I have a lot of muscle pain in my feet. Completely up to you at the end of the day. So I take about 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt, and then I just put it into the foot bath. After that, I let my feet soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Really depends on how long you want to soak your feet for. My best advice to you is to put not only like some type of cloth down next to the foot bath and start scrubbing your feet after when they start to soak in for a while, because then your skin is kind of like, you know how it comes out a little wrinkly or a little bit wet? It's easier to rip off, not really rip, sorry. It's easier to scrub off the feet with all the dry skin that you have. So I would do it on one side for the right foot and then on the other side for the left foot. Now, I also want to tell you a little bit of what I do for like my foot massages. Now, this is just light foot massages that I do, but there's so many different ones. And if you guys are interested in like real foot massages where you can help relieve any tension in your feet, please let me know. I will gladly make a video for that. And obviously you guys know any foot massages really boost your circulation. It's better for your overall health, improves your relaxation and decrease any stress levels. Yes, toe spreaders are back. So I buy like new ones 1 to 2 months, depending, because I randomly walk with these here and there across the floor and they tend to rip.